Imagine your cafe gets featured online overnight. You go from serving 10 people to 100. Your ingredients, staff, and electricity can't keep up unless you scale them up. But what if you could instantly rent extra ovens, extra ingredients, extra staff only when needed, and release them when the business slows down? That's the power of cloud economics. It's the smart financial logic behind scaling technology efficiently, cost effectively, and with confidence. Today, we will unpack what cloud economics really means and why it's the invisible engine powering businesses big and small. At its core, cloud economics is about understanding the real value, costs, and decisions in using cloud computing. It's not just about saving money. It's the science of investing in the cloud wisely for long-term gains. It helps businesses measure the total cost of ownership TCO for cloud versus traditional on-site infrastructure, including hidden costs and intangible benefits like flexibility and faster innovation. Let's say you run a food delivery applications built on AWS. Star launches a viral promotion, then traffic just surges. Without cloud economics inside, you could be overpaying for idle servers during quiet hours, or could be caught unprepared during demand spikes. So cloud economics help you avoid both scenarios. It allows you to build a solid business case for moving to the cloud rather than doing it just because it's trendy, and understand opportunity cost, like not investing in growth because all your budget sits in hardware maintenance, right? And analyze and optimize variable costs, not just capital cost. Let's cover two critical financial ideas, that is TCO and CapEx versus OpEx. Now TCO is the total cost ownership, one time and ongoing cost combined, hardware, power, staffing, and more. And cloud economics helps you compare that with pay as you go model. Now CapEx versus OpEx. Now traditionally it was buy now, right? That is actually CapEx, means buy the big servers right now instantly. You have to buy everything. So that is CapEx. And with cloud, it's pay as you use model. That is OpEx. This shift changes how companies budget and scale. Cloud economics goes beyond just cutting costs. It drives innovation and accountability. You prototype faster, experiment without upfront risk. It promotes resource efficiency, right-size instances, automate shutdowns when not used. It enables sustainable growth. Aligning spend with results ensures your cloud investment fuels long-term goals. Cloud economics introduces a powerful concept, that is cloud unit economics. It's measuring cost per useful unit. Think cost per customer, cost per transaction, instead of just total spend. When organizations track this, they can make smarter and value-driven decisions. This is the cornerstone of FinOps, where finance, operations, and engineering work together to manage cloud spending effectively. Back to the bakery. Now CapEx is the buying ovens upfront, and OpEx is the paying for rented ovens as needed. This is the cloud style. Now cloud economics is knowing how many ovens to rent, when and how long, to maximize profits, not just to waste the spend. It's being resource smart, not penny wise or pound foolish. Cloud economics is not just finance. It's fuel for smarter growth and faster ideas and accountable scaling. Whether you are launching an applications, optimizing site, means website, or teaching yourself cloud, knowing how the money works is as important as knowing the tools. If this video inspired you, like and subscribe, because next time we will unlock how to design your cloud system for efficiency and robustness. Cloud design principles you can apply right away. See you there, where strategy meets architecture. I'm Amit, signing off today. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.